Okay, network management and monitoring system. Usually, this layer is in the industry. Usually, is a network, usually network administration job is a layer one. So, kalau kamu semua kalau nak pergi industri network ni, which is big and interesting, and for me is quite good lah. If you go to the right industry, sometimes and it can go global. For example, in Malaysia also, you guys can be accepted to monitor global or American or uh, usually American, I mean American and European country network system. So at that time, the salary might be high because um, if you are good, you're going to get in USD salary, which is if you are working remotely in Malaysia is I mean two or three times higher than others. Others mean local network engineer. Okay, I have a Japanese background, so also two or three times salary if in the network compared to the local network engineer. So in the industry, this network management and monitoring system is what we call a layer one, L1, what we call layer one. So layer one is the admin or do what usual stuff lah, like checking and do configuration, simple configuration, usually monitoring lah. So you guys the job scope more of monitoring and do some every week routine and so on, and report to the higher ups. Usually, if you have a big problem or if you cannot solve it, usually you escalate to layer two. So layer two is more on advanced critical problem. So you escalate to layer two or three. Layer two or three, what we call is network escalation point. Um, Usually this guy is a most what we call senior network engineer. Uh, have a good high salary. Uh, they will they will try to troubleshoot the issue. Uh, so what you have been learned like uh being traced through and so on, that one in basic for network escalation. So they will usually they will check the system, check remote into the devices and so on. Okay. Without further ado, let's go to the introduction. So today's lecture, I want to talk about the importance of network management and monitoring system in ensuring optimal network performance and security. So this system comprise a range of tools, techniques, and process that allow organization to monitor, manage, and control their network components effectively. First and foremost, effective management and monitoring are crucial for maintaining the desired performance levels of network. So we all know that how important it is to have a network that meets our organization's requirements and delivers reliable connectivity. So as I said before, so if you're going to join a network engineer field, usually the first what we call uh in the beginning of your career usually you are be located in the layer one or monitoring. If you are good enough, I think you're going to be in the layer two network escalation and also layer two and three is network escalation, and also what we call project group, project which develop or deploy a network design and or network project. They have some network they want, they have some requests to create a new network and so on. So the network project team, which is like layer 2 or 3, will do that. So in these critical sectors such as infrastructure, healthcare, or finance, even a short network downtime can have a severe consequences. So by proactively managing and monitoring our network, we can minimize the risk of such disruptions and ensure uninterrupted connectivity for our users. But network management and monitoring go beyond just performance. They also play a significant role in ensuring network security. So network security, I think I will, uh, I think not enough time tonight. I will go do it next week, but next week is a holiday, but I think I'm going to upload a video to you guys. So with the ever increasing number of security threats, it's essential to be vigilant and take a proactive approach. So a robust network management and monitoring system allows us to monitor network traffic and analyze data in real time. So by doing so, we can quickly detect security breaches, unauthorized access attempts, and suspicious activities. This early detection enables us to respond promptly and minimizing potential damages and protecting our network and sensitive data. Furthermore, effective network management and monitoring provide valuable insights into network usage patterns, traffic trends, and resource allocation. So by analyzing network performance data, we can gain a deeper understanding of how our network resources are utilized. So this knowledge empowers us to optimize our infrastructure, allocate resource efficiently, and plan for future scalability. Oh, so another topic is, so yang kamu kena fokus ialah satunya network management and monitoring ni. Yang kedua security and juga scalability lah. Scalability. Scalability pun saya update next week lah. Okay. So as our organization grows and our network demands increase, we can make informed decision and ensure our network is ready to handle the expanding workload. So in conclusion, a network management and monitoring system is vital for maintaining optimal network performance and security. So by proactively managing and monitoring our network, we can ensure reliable connectivity, minimize downtime, and protect against security threats. And additionally, the insight gained through effective management and monitoring allow us to optimize resource allocation and plan for future growth. So kamu pun dah biasa kan, dalam IT ni banyak macam dia akan pakai keywords macam resource, IT resource and so on. IT resource ni macam compute, apa storage, network, itu semua tu dia panggil resource kan. So slide ni saya padatkan sebab instead of simplified, so saya padatkan data ni supaya kamu boleh baca je lah daripada baca dan fahami daripada slide. So yang apa, kalau ada maklumat tambahan yang kamu tak faham tu kamu boleh, cari daripada ni lah, daripada, internet dan sebagainya lah. So, a network management and monitoring system comprise, several essential features that contribute to, effective, network management. And these features enable organization to proactively monitor network performance, optimize, resource utilization, and ensure security and stability of their, network infrastructure. So one key feature is, real-time, monitoring, which allows organization to continuously monitor their network performance and health. So by providing immediate visibility into network traffic, bandwidth usage, and device status, and other critical parameters, real-time, monitoring enables administrators to promptly identify, any anomalies, network congestion, or performance, bottlenecks. Okay. And this proactive approach empowers, organization to take, necessary measures to maintain optimal, network performance. So, usually yang dia monitor macam tadi lah, macam threshold apa yang dia monitor nanti kita update lah, kemudian. Sebenarnya dia monitor macam threshold lah, kadang-kadang dia tengok, sebenarnya device dia akan bagi alert bila, contohnya dia macam, dia ada certain threshold lah, macam, network optimization, contohnya, bandwidth, optimization sebenarnya kalau naik ke 80% ke atas, dia akan keluar alert pada geng-geng, monitoring lah. So monitoring akan masuk check dan sebagainya. And kalau ada isu dia akan escalate lah pada application team owner ataupun pada L2 escalation, L2 L3 network lah. So, kalau dia tak boleh selesaikan dia escalate lah. So bila macam tu, instead of down kan, macam kalau bandwidth optimization tu ni, dah tinggi, sebenarnya apa yang jadi ialah macam ni lah, network slow lah. Kan, macam kamu kalau dekat sana kalau network, ada orang yang, apa dia panggil apa, verbalize, bukan verbalize, dia dia guna untuk apa, download, movie dan sebagainya, dia guna habis bandwidth dalam network tu. So orang lain tinggal sikit lah, orang lain akan rasa slow lah. So slow ni, kita pun slow, kita akan marah lah. Kita akan marah, selanjutnya kita akan marah pada network provider lah. Padahal sebenarnya bandwidth tu besar, cuma kadang setengah orang tu dia akan guna application yang guna banyak bandwidth lah. Dia macam-macam ada filter kat situ, cuma, tu salah satulah. Salah satu lagi lah. Lepas tu kadang-kadang kalau down tu, ataupun kalau ada device down, kan, selalunya device ni dia akan hantar ataupun, router ni akan hantar macam ping lah untuk device kan. So then, device tu macam dia tak respond lah, dia tak respond. Bila tak respond tu dia bagi device down lah, so dia akan keluar alert device ni down. Kemungkinan device tu server ke apa, critical server, so kena check cepatlah betul ke dia down, kenapa dia down. Contohnya kadang-kadang dia server tu, dia panas, ataupun ada orang reboot dan sebagainya, so dia jadi, so kena check lah benda tu. So make sure benda tu tak ada impact pada end user yang guna benda tu. So pentingnya network monitoring ni. So dia cepat-cepat, troubleshoot, sebelum jadi apa yang teruk dia akan usaha untuk, make sure benda tu tak jadi. Kalau jadi dia akan cuba kurangkan downtime tu lah. Itu kelebihan, kepentingan L1. L1 ni banyak kerja, cuma, dia basic-basic lah. Basic-basic tapi banyak kerja lah. So bila kamu dah tiada, kamu akan masuk L2, dia tak banyak kerja sangat tapi dia yang susah-susah lah. Yang kalau datang tu yang susah. Tapi kat waktu tu kamu dah cakap tak apalah, okey lah. So, device management capabilities are another integral part of network management and monitoring system. So these capabilities allow administrators to discover and manage network devices such as routers, switches, access points, and servers. So with comprehensive device management, administrators can efficiently handle tasks like device configuration, firmware updates, and device performance monitoring. So this ensures proper configuration and efficient utilization and centralized control over the network infrastructure. Okay. Performance analysis is a crucial feature that involves collecting, analyzing, and interpreting network performance data. So performance analysis tools provide insights into network bandwidth, utilization, bandwidth yang tadi lah, bandwidth utilization. Selalunya dia akan check. So kalau bawah 80%, okey. Kalau nak macam net threshold, dia naik pada 80%, dia tak turun lah. Selalunya dia naik, dia turun tu, dia spike dia lah. Spike ni no issue lah. Kalau dia naik, dia tak turun, dia stay sampai 100%, dia network akan jam. So latency, kena check juga latency. Latency ni boleh impact slow juga kan. And then packet loss. Packet loss pun mungkin ada error and ada performance metrics. So packet loss ni dia macam apa? Dia macam down jugalah. Dia macam kita kata device tu down juga.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, actually, I don't understand about latency. Actually, what is latency? Is it the thing that makes the network slow, or what? Or what?
Latency dia macam speed of data. Speed of data maksudnya daripada source ke destination. Contohnya kamu user kan, user kamu, kita boleh kata, tak kisahlah kamu macam user, kita kata macam source lah. Okey, ke router yang terdekat tu dia bagi macam destination lah. Okey. So latency means dia punya perjalanan masa tu. Dia pergi dan balik tu, contoh, ataupun pergi saja. So latency tu yang mana, siapa yang tanya tadi? Siva ke? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Siva kan. So dalam latency ni dia high latency better ke low latency better?
Maksudnya low better, sir.
Sebab?
Sebab kalau low latency tu mungkin sebabkan dia less timing nak transfer data. So
Betul. Yang tu lah. Basically dia akan keluar selalulah pasal latency ni. Maksudnya basically dia macam daripada point A ke point B, dia latency antara source of data tu kepada destination data tu cepat. So bila cepat tu bukan apa, dari segi end user dia rasa macam laju lah, dia tak ada stuck dan sebagainya lah. Kalau high latency maksudnya besar kan, dia punya speed tu besar, maksudnya dia akan rasa lagging. Lagging. So itu yang kita tak mahu. Walaupun kita dapat data tu tapi kita rasa lagging kan. So yang tu salah satu karakter yang nak kena ni lah. Okay. Okay, Ziva?
okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Alright. So by analyzing this data, so administrators can identify performance bottlenecks, optimize network resource, and make informed decision to improve overall network performance. So selalunya macam network admin yang level 1, dia akan dia akan monitor. And then selalunya macam mungkin tiap-tiap hari hujung awal dia akan ada macam presentation or discussion dengan lead ataupun ketua ataupun dia punya manager untuk check lah, okay, performance macam mana. Selalunya kita akan dapat jenis. So, macam mana nak improve kan. So, dia akan ada discussion kat situ. So, supaya contohnya kalau contohnya server ni dah selalu tinggi. So, macam mana kita nak buat? So, kita kena escalate pada team ni untuk kurangkan lah. Ataupun macam mana. Okay, contohnya dia pindah masa daripada masa yang kritikal, contohnya waktu tengah hari ni, bukan tengah hari, waktu hari biasa ni, jangan buat benda-benda yang update buat waktu malam. Okey, sebab waktu siang ni orang nak kerja. So benda nak patching ke nak update apa semua buat waktu malam. So benda-benda tu kita boleh update pada ni lah, kita boleh tengok daripada network monitoring. So this data-driven approach allows organization to ensure that their network meets the desired performance levels. So selalunya dalam IT ni dia panggil service level agreement, dia panggil SLA. SLA ni duit lah. Duit. Maksudnya kenapa uh, apa ni? Gaji IT ni tinggi lah ataupun taklah rendah. Sebab semua yang guna IT, kebanyakan semua orang wajib guna IT dan semua kena guna IT, and dia kena bayar mahal lah untuk maintain the network tak down dan sebagainya. So itulah. So security auditing features are vital for maintaining the security and integrity of a network. So these features monitor and assess the network for potential vulnerabilities, security breaches or unauthorized access attempts. Contohnya kalau keluar alert pada layer 1, dia keluar alert macam unauthorized access. Macam tu dia akan keluar alert dan sebagainya. So kita escalate lah pada team yang sepatutnya. Kan? So dia orang check. Security team akan check lah. Sebab macam contoh itulah. Okay. Tak apa. Security auditing tools can scan the network for vulnerabilities, conduct penetration testing, and generate reports on networks security posture. So by performing regular security audits, the organization can identify and mitigate potential security risks, ensuring the confidentiality, integrity and availability of their network resources. So dalam IT ni dia ada panggil best practice. Dia panggil best practice ni, dia best practice lah. Dia macam dalam security ni macam saya kata lah, security is another part lah. Network satu part, security satu another part. So dia sebenarnya dia akan ada rutin lah. Rutin tu kita kena buat. Kalau tak buat, kita akan jadi audit kita akan problem lah. Okay. Selalunya contohlah audit kita, kalau kita tak buat betul-betul, dia akan problem. So dia akan check. Okay. So in summary, a network management and monitoring system encompassing real-time monitoring, device management and performance analysis and security auditing features is essential for effective network management. So these features enable organization to proactively monitor network performance, optimize resource utilization, and ensure the security and stability of their network infrastructure. So by leveraging these features, organization can maintain a robust and reliable network environment. So yang ni dipanggil KPI lah, Key Performance Indicator. Kamu tengok Google. So when assessing the effectiveness and efficiency of a network system, macam mana kita nak tahu satu network tu bagus ke tak, management monitoring dia bagus ke tak. So yang ni key performance yang yang selalu kita tengok lah. Okay. Specific key performance indicators are employed to gain meaningful insights into various aspects of network performance. So nanti dalam soalan pun final exam pun dia walaupun dia kata wireless ke apa semua, cloud ke apa semua, basically dia akan balik kepada network. Kamu dalam kepala kamu kena ingat. Basically semua tu network lah. Tak kisahlah wired ke wireless ke cloud ke apa semua. Basically dia apa KPI network system lah. Itu yang penting. So these KPIs enable organization to evaluate the performance, availability and utilization of their network resources. So let's take a closer look at some commonly used KPI. So the first KPI is network uptime. So network uptime measures the duration that a network remains operational and accessible to users. It is essential indicator of a network reliability and availability. A higher network uptime indicates better network performance and reliability, and ensuring that users can access network resources when needed. So yang ni indikator yang selanjutnya kalau network escalation tengoklah. Macam kita dapat alert kata macam contoh server ke ataupun router ataupun port tu down kan. Ataupun ada trigger alert something kan. So kita akan masuk device tu, kita akan check atau masuk server kita akan check uptime lah. Uptime. Show uptime. So uptime dia kalau dia macam uptime ni maksudnya dia tak pernah down lah. Soalnya router ni tak pernah down lah. Bukan, dia macam tak pernah down lah. Kecuali kalau kita buat apa ni maintenance. So uptime dia lama, contohnya dah sebulan ke ataupun banyak hari kan. Maksudnya router tu okey lah. Router tu okey. Kalau ditunjuk uptime dia baru 20 minit. 20 minit maksudnya sebelum 20 minit tu network tu down. Dia walaupun down sekejap tapi dia kacau lah. Dia kacau application lah. Kadang-kadang kena setting lain dan sebagainya. So kita tahu okey router ni problem ataupun port tu problem. Tu yang kita identify. Kalau uptime dia lama maksudnya ada tempat lain yang problem. Bukan dekat situ lah. Tapi ada satu juga masa bila kita tengok uptime tu lama macam contoh dah setahun tak pernah down lah. Maksudnya dia orang tak pernah reboot lah. So pentingnya kita highlight pada user ataupun owner pada sistem supaya reboot lah. Dia macam komputer kita kalau biar lama kan dia macam sabut kan. So bila kita reboot tu dia dia buang lah yang cache ataupun memori lama dan sebagainya lah. So, tetapi bila reboot ni masalah sebab bukan masalah apa, sebab kalau tak ada masalah kenapa nak reboot lah sebenarnya user application dia akan ni kan. Sebab dia orang tak nak problem kan. Bila reboot lagi habis nak kena setting lain, apa pula rosak dan sebagainya. Sebab kalau masih lagi boleh guna dia akan make sure tak nak reboot lah. Tapi dia kalau lama sangat dia macam bom jangka lah. Dia tunggu masa je lah nak nak kena. So So a higher network uptime indicates better network performance and reliability. So ensuring that users can access network resources when needed. So by monitoring network uptime, organization can assess the network's ability to deliver uninterrupted services. Another important KPI is response time. Okay, response time. Okay, yang tadi pun penting network uptime tu. Yang kedua pun penting juga response time. So response time measures the taken for a network to respond to a user request or data transmission. It reflects reflects the network's responsiveness and latency. Nampak dia banyak latency low lah. So lower response times are desirable as they indicate faster communication and better user experience. So by monitoring response times, organization can identify potential bottlenecks or delays in network performance and take appropriate measures to optimize response times for improve user satisfaction. Sebenarnya response time ni macam ping lah. Ping bila kita ping certain port tu, kalau kita dapat certain macam cepat tu maksudnya pendek maksudnya acceptable lah laju dan sebagainya. Tapi bila kita ping tu, kita dapat juga respon tapi cuma lambat. Contohnya beratus millisecond dan sebagainya. So kita tahu ada something wrong. Something wrong in between. So daripada response time kita tahu ada something wrong. Kalau tengok trace route pun kita tengok trace route kan. Trace route okey, tengok yang mana yang antara node mana ke node mana yang ada response time yang lambat lah. Kita tak kira yang tak dapat langsung kan. Tak dapat langsung kira tahulah kat situ ada problem kan. Cuma kita nak tengok kadang response time antara node mana tu yang lama tu. Kita nak tengok yang tu lah. So throughput is another significant KPI. It measures the data transfer rate over a network, indicating the amount of data that can be transmitted within a given time. So throughput represents the network capacity and efficiency. So higher throughput values suggest better network performance and the ability to handle larger volumes of data. So by monitoring throughput, organization can ensure that network can effectively handle the requirement and data transfer demand. So throughput ni dia dengan bandwidth dia macam ada relate memang lebih kurang sama lah. So bandwidth ni macam saya kata, bandwidth ni macam kalau orang kata kalau pipe air tu macam data. So pipe air, kalau pipe air besar tu dia panggil bandwidth besar. Bandwidth besar. So bandwidth besar patutnya dia punya throughput dia besar lah sebab dia boleh keluarkan air yang banyak. Tapi kadang-kadang bandwidth dia besar, tapi throughput sikit. So means ada something wrong lah. Dia tak fully utilize bandwidth lah. Maksudnya mungkin air pressure tu sikit dan sebagainya. Macam lebih kurang macam itulah. Okay. And then error rates are crucial KPIs that measure the frequency of errors or data packets lost during network transmission. Lower error rates indicates a more reliable network with few data transmission errors. So minimizing error rates helps ensure the accuracy and integrity of data transmission. By monitoring error rates, organization can identify and address potential issues that may affect data integrity or cause disruption in network communication. So salah satu juga error rate. So selalunya bila kita bila network engineer dapat escalation, kata ada problem, so dia akan check lah. So dekat router mana. So dia akan masuk remote router, dia akan check dekat port tu lah, selalunya connection port tu, dia akan check satu macam uptime, dan keduanya error rate lah, transmission and receive error rate, dia akan check. Kat situ dia akan tulis error rate. Error rate contohnya selalunya 0/250 contoh lah. So kalau ada error rate macam contohnya 100/250 error rate kan. So kita boleh nampak ada error rate ni, something wrong dekat port tu. So kat situ kita boleh troubleshoot further lah. Tu benda yang selalunya kita akan check jugalah. So what happen, kenapa error rate tinggi dan sebagainya. Kalau kita check tu kosong, maksudnya bukan isu port tu lah, bukan port yang lain lah. And lastly, we have bandwidth utilization as a significant KPI. It measures the extent to which network bandwidth is being utilized. And bandwidth utilization reflects the efficiency of resource allocation and utilization. So by monitoring bandwidth utilization, organization can identify potential bottlenecks or underutilized resources, allowing for better resource allocation and capacity planning. So these examples of KPI provide a comprehensive view of networks effectiveness and efficiency. So by monitoring and analyzing these metrics, organization can evaluate network performance, identify areas for improvement, and make informed decision to optimize network resources. So with this information, organization can enhance their network performance, reliability, and overall efficiency to meet their business objective. So let's go to another slide, benefits of implementing a network management and monitoring system. So implementing a network management and monitoring system offers numerous benefits for organizations. So let's explore these benefits in more details. So the first benefit is improve network performance. Network management and monitoring system provides real-time visibility into network infrastructure, allowing administrators to monitor and analyze network performance metrics. So by proactively identifying performance bottlenecks, network congestion, or bandwidth issues, organization can take corrective action to optimize network performance, and this leads to faster and more reliable connectivity and reduce downtime and improve overall user experience. So another significant benefit is proactive issue detection and resolution. So kadang-kadang macam saya kata lah, macam kita punya network ke apa semua, kita tak nampak, kita tak rasa dia down lah. Sebab apa? Sebab belakang tu memang dia orang dah troubleshoot, dia orang dah monitor anything, problem, alert dan sebagainya, yang terensure yang dia orang boleh monitor semua dia dah resolve kan. Sebab tu kita punya network uh, apa? Kita punya network kita akan kita tak asal lah. Kalau kita asal tu memang itu dah major, dah major. Padahal sebelum kita tak asal tu, memang dia orang dah troubleshoot apa macam-macam problem lah sebelum mungkin end user asal. So another significant benefit is proactive issue detection and resolution. Network management and monitoring system enable proactive monitoring and alerting for potential network issues. So administrators can set up automated notification or alarms for abnormal behavior or performance thresholds. So this early detection allows IT teams to identify and address issues before they escalate, and minimizing the impact on the network performance and avoiding costly downtime. So by detecting and resolving issues proactively, organization can ensure smooth network operations and minimize disruption for users. Yang ni yang penting macam saya kata tadi. So dia nak proactively detect any issues yang nak going to happen lah. Before it happens, so sebenarnya dia akan try to resolve it. And enhanced security is critical benefit of implementing a network management and monitoring system. So this system provides security auditing, intrusion detection, and threat monitoring capabilities. So by continuously monitoring network traffic and analyzing security events, administrators can detect and respond to security threats promptly. Lajulah dia yang detect and act. So this enhance the organization ability to protect sensitive data, prevent unauthorized access, and mitigate the risk associated with cyber threats. So by maintaining a secure network environment, organization can safeguard their valuable assets and maintain the trust of their stakeholders. So lastly, implementing a network management and monitoring system allows for optimized resource allocation. So these systems provide insights into network traffic patterns, bandwidth utilization, and resource consumption. So by analyzing this data, organization can make informed decision on resource allocation, capacity planning, and network optimization. So this ensures efficient utilization of network resources, avoids unnecessary expenses, and supports scalability to accommodate growing demands. So by optimizing resource allocation, organization can enhance operational efficiency and effectively meet their network requirements. So in conclusion, implementing a network management and monitoring system brings significant benefits to organization. It improves network performance, enables proactive issue detection and resolution, enhance network security, and also optimize resource allocation. So usually semua, especially dipanggil enterprise industry, semua invest on this lah. Either dia invest dia sendiri yang buat monitoring ataupun dia hired lah macam organisasi yang provide this service macam Accenture, macam-macam lah banyak ni. So by investing in a comprehensive system, organization can optimize their network infrastructure, enhance operational efficiency, and provide a reliable and secure network environment for their users. So saya punya saya punya cita-cita lah, saya teringin nak buka syarikat yang offer service like this lah. Macam kita offer pada syarikat yang besar-besar ataupun syarikat yang kecil, yang kita offer certain kita monitoring system ni kan. Soalnya kita kita compare dengan orang lain lah kan. Menarik lah. So implementing a network management and monitoring system involve several key steps to ensure successful deployment and effective utilization. So let's explore these steps in more detail. So the first step is the assessment of network requirements. Organization need to understand their network architecture, identify critical network components, determine performance goals, and consider specific monitoring needs. And then conducting a thorough assessment helps in selecting the most appropriate network management and monitoring tools and solution for organizations network environments. So dalam assignment tolong ni lah, tolong go through banyak apa ni critical or major apa ni tools yang digunakan sekarang lah. So once the network requirements are assessed, the network step is the selection of appropriate tools. So organization should consider factors such as scalability, ease of use, compatibility with existing network infrastructure, and support for required protocols and technologies. So there are various commercial and open source options available, and evaluating vendor options and conducting proof of concept trials can aid in making an informed decision. So after selecting the tools, the configuration and deployment phase begins. This involves setting up the monitoring software or hardware agents within the network infrastructure. Sebenarnya, contohnya kita nak buat satu tool, kita dah pilih, sebenarnya dia akan install agent lah. So dia ada server dekat mana-mana, dia akan ada main server dia. And then macam semua device tu dia akan install macam agent lah. Untuk agent ni dia bukan malware, dia macam malware, dia hantar information tu pada information device tu pada main server. Okay. So it includes configuring data collection parameters and establishing threshold for alerts and notification. So proper configuration ensure that the system accurately collects and analyze relevant network data for effective monitoring. So ongoing monitoring is crucial for keeping track of the network's performance, availability, and security. So monitoring tools should be configured to collect relevant metrics such as network traffic, device status, error rates, and security events. So real-time monitoring enables immediate detection of anomalies, performance bottlenecks, or security breach. So regular monitoring ensure that the network operates optimally and meets the defined project performance objectives. And then lastly, regular updates are essential for network management and monitoring system. So the system should be regularly updated to stay current with evolving technologies, security patches, and new features. So keeping the system up to date helps address any vulnerabilities, enhance functionality, and ensures compatibility with the latest network devices and protocols. So selalunya updates, especially dalam enterprise lah. Enterprise ataupun company dia akan update lah setiap bulan ke apa semua. So kalau version update pun dia akan boleh. Tapi kalau version update ni dia akan sensitif sikit lah. Sebab bila version update ni dia macam-macam problem lah. Dia tak compatible lah lepas ni. Cuma kalau security patch dia akan buat lah sebab dia critical lah. Takut anything issue. Kalau tak jadi apa pun dia akan ada audit, security audit. So dia memang kena buat selalu lah. So regular updates enable organization to take advantage of new features and improvements offered by the monitoring tools. So by following these implementation steps, organization can effectively deploy and utilize a network management and monitoring system. So this enables them to maintain network performance, proactively address issues, and ensure network security and make informed decisions based on real-time network data. And then implementing a comprehensive network management and monitoring system allows organizations to optimize their network infrastructure and support their business objectives efficiently. Okay. Yeah, that's the last slide. Yang ni backup untuk ni. So macam saya kata lah, go through the slide, tengok KPI, the keywords and so on, understand it, and also do and study the assignments. Okay, that's all for today. Anyone have any questions? Okay, kalau tak ada, let's do quiz. Hold on for a minute. The quiz.